Hello everyone, welcome to Student Guides and I'm Manija Nasrin. Aru azir sessionot ami discuss korim joakali hoi joa Gauhati University B.Ed Common Entrance Test orthat GU B.Ed CET 2026 jitu joakali orthat 19 July tarikhe hoi gol aru tare 50 ta memory based questions or uporot aji ami discussion rakhim. So ei question homo memory based question ji homo amaloi tumaluke pothaisa aru question homuhot korobat kiba bhul thakibo pare because ami exam or exact questions bohabo pora nai options to shuffle hoise ba options o ami nijake manage koribo loga hoise kintu yes question or according ami correct answers rakhisu aru hekhini ami discuss korim. So deri nokori ajir session to start korisu. Question number 1 is asking who is considered the inventor of artificial intelligence অর্থাৎ AI. So AI লগত জড়িত first নামটো আমি যেতিয়া বিচাৰিম he will be John McCarthy. Okay, so John McCarthy is the correct answer. He has given the term, so sometimes we call him the father of AI. Question number 2 is asking which of the following centrally sponsored financial incentive initiatives associated with the objectives of secondary education under RMSA অর্থাৎ রাষ্ট্রীয় মাধ্যমিক শিক্ষা অভিযান was specially designed to support girl children in continuing their education. So RMSA under incentive financial aid di pelai girls student ba girl children or education jate continue korabo pari tar uporot gurutto dia hoisil and tar he supportive scheme khon hoise national scheme of incentive to girls for secondary education অর্থাৎ girls সকলে ছাত্ৰী সকলে যাতে secondary education complete কৰে তাৰ বাবে এই স্কিম খন আহিছিলে and that is NSI-GSE. Okay, so that's the correct answer. Next question number 3, where did Gautam Buddha died and attained parinirvana অর্থাৎ গৌতম বুদ্ধৰ মৃত্যু আৰু parinirvana কোন ঠাইত হৈছিলে? So that place is Kushinagar. Next question is asking the slogan do or die was given during which movement? Ami hokolue gom pao do or die given in the movement of Quit India. So option number C. Jodio tumalukor question paper ot beleg options thakibo pare. Ami matro question khini tumaluke ji dhorone pothiaisa ami tak form korisu properly. So do or die a slogan to dia goisile Quit India movement or hoboyot. The year 1968 is associated with, so this is very easy question, National Policy on Education, NPE. So this is its year. Next, the Industrial Revolution first emerged in which country? That is Great Britain. Next question, Rashtriya Uchchatar Madhyamik Shiksha Abhiyan RUSA was launched in, and that is 2013. Okay. Chess player Mayank Chakrabarti belongs to which Indian state? So of course he is from Assam. Next question, the Gayatri Mantra is found in which Veda? So you all know Gayatri Mantra is from Rig Veda. Rig Veda pora Gayatri Mantra lua hoise. Next, Rashtriya Madhyamik Shiksha Abhiyan RMSA primarily focuses on which of the following? So yat kebato dia hoise RMSA kuntu primarily focus korisile. So yar bhitorot actually elementary education, secondary, higher education, technical education. So amar RMSA hodai secondary education of promote kore. Okay, so it is the universalization of secondary education. That's the answer. Next question, which of the following is a key objective of NEP 2020 regarding girls education? So girls education or babe NEP 2020 prime objective ki asile? So gotei option gita ami saisu. First, reducing access to higher education, no, because ami negative option gita atoram, ami positive option or phale jam. Ensuring equitable access and participation of girls in education, which is correct, and positive option baki kita option jodi ami sao limiting girls education to secondary level, no, ami hodai negative option khini eliminate koru. Promoting only online education for girls, no. So the correct answer is ensuring equitable access and participation of girls in education, that is promoted by NEP 2020. A deficiency of vitamin K, you all know in human body if we are deficient in vitamin K then ki hobo pare amar blood clotting delay hoi jay. Okay, delay in blood coagulation or increase blood clotting time orthat jetia vitamin K amar body deficient ba komi thake tetia amar blood clocking or time to delay hoi jai. Next question number 13, which country has launched the world's first nuclear heat based hydrogen produce facility? So a question to olop beleg hobo pare tumalkor prashno kakotot, but jihetu it's a memory based question aru yat huthi ase je world or prothom khon country je nuclear heat based hydrogen produce kore aru hekhon hoise India. Next question, which Gyanpith award winning Assamese author wrote the novel Mrityunjaya? So Mrityunjaya novel khon kune likhise, and we all know he is Birendra Kumar Bhattacharya. Next, who among the following was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics in 2025? So ami gom pao 2025 ot physics ot Nobel Prize winner tinijon asil aru tinijonore naam yat mention kora hoise. John Clark, Michael H. Dewart and John M. Martinez, and our answer to hobo all of the above, okay? Because a tiniwe 2025 ot physics ot Nobel Prize paisile. Next question, which is regarded as the highest award in journalism? So ami gom pao journalism ot highest award. So option or bhitor tumalkor option ot Pulitzer asile, then Maxese award asile, Nobel and Field award etc. asile. So jiman leke mor monot ase Field award mathematical fields ot dia jai, then Pulitzer is the award. It is given on the journalism sector, that is the highest one, okay? Nobel Prize e journalism or sector no hoy, so Pulitzer award is your correct answer here. Next question is asking, arrange the following events in chronological order. So Rabindranath Tagore receives Nobel Prize, partition of Bengal, Mahatma Gandhi returns to India from South Africa, aru ami yer jodi son gita sao tetia ami yak chronologically arrange koribo parim. So Bengal partition, that is 1905, then Rabindranath Tagore Nobel Prize paisile in 1913 aru Mahatma Gandhi ahisile 15 ot. So we can arrange them like 2, then 1, then 3, okay? So the answer is 2, 1 and 3. অর্থাৎ বেঙ্গল পার্টিশন প্রথমে হৈছিলে, তার পিছত রবীন্দ্রনাথ টেগরে গীতাঞ্জলি লিখাৰ বাবে নোবেল প্ৰাইজ পাইছিলে, আৰু তাৰ পিছত মহাত্মা গান্ধী সাউথ আফ্ৰিকাৰ পৰা ইণ্ডিয়ালৈ উভতি আহিছিলে in 1915. The POSA system in Assam was primarily used for which purpose? So POSA system অসমত কিয় ব্যৱহাৰ কৰা হয়? So it is maintaining peace with hill tribes through annual payments. So basically hill tribe or মানুহখিনিৰ লগত আহোম সকলে এটা ভাল সম্পৰ্ক মেইনটেইন কৰিবৰ বাবে এই সিস্টেমটো ৰাখিছিলে, যত নেকি cash অথবা kindness দুইটাই জড়িত হৈ আছিল. Next, arrange the following dynasties of Assam from oldest to the latest. অর্থাৎ পুৰণা সময়ৰ পৰা নতুন সময়লৈকে কেইখনমান ডাইনেষ্টি দিয়া হৈছে, য'ত আহোম আছে, পালা ডাইনেষ্টি, সালস্তম্ভ ডাইনেষ্টি এণ্ড বৰ্মন ডাইনেষ্টি গোটেইকেইখন আছে। সো আমি গম পাওঁ যে আহোম নিউৱেষ্টত বা লেটেষ্টত থাকিব আৰু বৰ্মন ডাইনেষ্টি ফাৰ্ষ্টত থাকিব। সো সেইকাৰণে আমি ফাৰ্ষ্ট বৰ্মন ডাইনেষ্টি, সেকেন্ড সালস্তম্ভ ডাইনেষ্টি, থাৰ্ড আমি Pala dynasty, and fourth number ami Ahom dynastic dim. So yat moi year gita mention korisu, tumalge gita sailoba. Question number 20 is asking, pygmy hog is naturally found in which of the protected areas of Assam? Ohomor kun kikhon thait national park ba obharyonyot pygmy hog poa jay. So the answer is Manas National Park, Bornodi Wildlife Sanctuary and Orang National Park. So ei tinikhon thait ami pygmy hog dekhiboloi pao. Next question, Mahatma Gandhi presided over which session of the Indian National Congress INC? So Mahatma Gandhi ekhone Indian National Congress or session host korisile ba president hisabe asil, aru hei session khon hoise Belgaum session in 1924. That's the correct answer. Next, what does the term yellow journalism means? Yellow journalism ki hoy? So tumalke hokolue jana yellow journalism hoise sensational and exaggerated news published to attract attention. So yake koi yellow journalism. Next question is asking, the academic bank credits ABC under NEP 2020 mainly facilitates. So options tumalukor exam or logot same nohobo pare ma bare bare koi asu, but ami correct option to jiman paru properly bohaisu. So academic bank credit ba ABC ID eta thake under NEP 2020. So a ABC e tumalukor kidore help kore? So the answer is multiple entry and multiple exits by storing and transferring academic credits, okay? So ABC ID এটা প্ৰত্যেকজন ষ্টুডেন্টক দিয়া যায় আৰু ABC অৰ্থাৎ একাডেমিক বেংক ক্ৰেডিটে হেল্প কৰে মাল্টিপল এন্ট্ৰি এণ্ড মাল্টিপল এক্সিটত, okay? য'ত নেকি তেওঁলোকে ষ্ট'ৰ কৰি ৰাখে আৰু ট্ৰান্সফাৰ কৰে একাডেমিক ক্ৰেডিটছ। চ' তোমালোকক এখন ইনষ্টিটিউটৰ পৰা বা কোনোবা এটা কোৰ্চৰ পৰা ওলাই বা কোনোবা এটা বেলেগ কোৰ্চত এন্ট্ৰি ল'বলৈও এই বস্তুটোৱে হেল্প কৰে। One of the major challenges of a teacher is to teacher বাবে এটা major challenges মই again কৈছো option similar নহব পাৰে but এই questionটো যেতিয়া examত আহিছে তোমালোকে নিশ্চয় এই optionটো বিচাৰি উলিয়াইছা হেতু হৈছে make the teaching learning process enjoyable and meaningful so teacher বাবে এটো এটা challenge হয় classroomত teacher জনে teaching and learning process to যাতে enjoyable বনাব পাৰে হেতু এটা challenge কিন্তু it should have to be done okay so যদিও ই এটা challenge হয় but the correct option is this make the teaching learning process enjoyable and meaningful okay I hope tumaloke a option to bisari uliabo parisila next according to the national curriculum framework NCF the curriculum should be based on so national curriculum framework or mote curriculum kihor upor base hobo lage so that is students previous concepts prior knowledge and learning needs okay studentor yar agor knowledge kiman aru studentor needs ki tar uporot base kori amar curriculum frame hobo lage okay that's why this option is correct question number 26 is asking the findings of national achievement survey NAS are mainly used to so national achievement survey it is for improved teaching learning processes and educational policies so this is the correct answer question number 27 is asking which of the following is a digital platform specially designed for teacher training and school education in India so you all know the answer is Diksha portal okay Diksha portal is known for the teacher training and school education in India. All of ke yat kisuman explanation add korisu. E PG Pathshalar uporotu e Gyan course and Swayam. Of course, ei gotekhini ami amar classes on discuss korisilu. Next question is asking the right of children to free and compulsory education RTE Act was enacted. So question to amale correctly nahile. Question to jodi enacted hudisile questionত তেতিয়া হলে এটো 2009 হবো আৰু যদি came into force হদিছিলে তেতিয়া হলে 1 April 2010 হবো okay so এখিনি basic details তোমালকে already জানা next question is asking chat gpt generates which of the following so question to যথেষ্ট দীঘল আছিল যত গোটে বস্তুখিনি chat gpt কি হয় ই large language model etc গোটেখিনি মেনশন কৰা হৈছিল কিন্তু লাষ্টত হদিছিল যে actually generate কি কৰে so basically এই question to gpt ৰ full form হদি আছিল so gpt ৰ full form to তোমালকে already mark কৰিছা বুলি ধৰি লৈছো that is generative pre-trained transformer okay so a question to eta important question asile next which sustainable development goal SDG focuses on ensuring inclusive and equitable quality education for all and that is SDG goal 4 okay SDG goal 4 e focus kore quality education and inclusive education or uporot question number 31 is asking Culex mosquito spreads which of the following disease so Culex mosquito e ki kore Culex mosquito spreads Japanese encephalitis okay so this is the correct answer question number 32 is asking the government of India approved the BioE3 policy to promote high performance biomanufacturing and support sustainable economic development so in this context what does BioE3 stands for so BioE3 e ki bujai so tar karone ami tinta term bisaribo lagibo hegita hoise economy environment and employment so yat ase economy environment and employment so these three terms determined by this E3 okay so BioE3 for economy environment and employment next question is asking what should be the ideal role of a teacher in relation to students so yat options asil father friend leader general so gote kita option or bitorot moi bhabu friend will be a correct option because ejon teacher e bohu homoyot ejon studentor logot as a friend consult koribo loga hoy so consulting is another term in the duty of teaching next question is asking as per the currently recognized periodic table okay how many chemical elements have been officially discovered and named so periodic table as of now kiman elements ase so that is 118 okay 118টা elements আছে as of now, the recent periodic table, modern periodic table, and you all know the hydrogen was the first one, and the recent 118 won the organism. Next, এটা maths question asile, kind of এটা triangle. যদিহে questionটো আমি পঢ়িছো, so এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ asile. So this is point M, আৰু আমি যদি ABC triangle চাওঁ, so ইয়াত কোৱা হৈছিল in ABC triangle, AD is the median to BC, okay, this is AD, and three medians intersect at M, অৰ্থাৎ গোটেইকেইটাই এই M পইণ্টত intersect কৰে, এইখিনিলৈকে গম পাইছিলো. So AD is 21 centimeter. AD আহি আছে যে ই 21 centimeter হয়, and BC is 24 centimeter, অৰ্থাৎ B ৰ পৰা C লৈ 24 centimeter, আৰু A ৰ পৰা D লৈ এইখিনিলৈকে হৈছে 21 centimeter, okay? So then the value of BD and MD are respectively. So এই BD ৰ value কিমান সুধিছে আৰু এইখিনিৰ পৰা MD ৰ value কিমান সুধিছে. So যিহেতু ইয়াৰ পৰা ইয়ালৈ 24, আমি তাক 2 ৰে divide কৰি দিম, আমি পাম 12. So B ৰ পৰা D লৈ আমি গম পালো কিমান হ'ব 12. Next, A ৰ পৰা D লৈ যেটো আহিব, A to D হেতু সদায় 2:1 ratio থাকে, অৰ্থাৎ it is already 21. So আমি তাক 3 ৰে divide কৰি দিম, and we will get MD as 7. So that will be the correct answer. মই ইয়াত explanation দি দিছো, and ইয়াত ইমেজ আকাৰেও বুজাই দিছো, এই ইমেজখন চালেও তোমালোকে বহুত সহজকে বুজি পাবা, okay? So this one is a very easy kind of question, যত সোধা গৈছিলে এটা triangle, আৰু ইয়াত অপচনত তোমালোকে নিশ্চয় পাইছিলা, that is আমি already বিচাৰিলো 12 আৰু 7. This one is the correct answer, okay? Next question is asking P is to the east of Q, okay? So আমি যদি north, south, east, west লিখি লওঁ, so P is the east of Q. So মই ধৰি লৈছো ইয়াতে Q আছে, আৰু Q ৰ eastৰ ফালে আছে P, and R is the south of Q. So R আছে Q ৰ southৰ ফালে, so এইখিনিতে R আছে বুলি ধৰি লৈছো. S is the east of R. R ৰ eastৰ ফালে আছে S. In which direction S with respect to Q? So S Q ৰ পৰা কোন ফালে আছে? This is southeast. Southeast direction of আছে. So option B, southeast direction, is the correct answer. So next question is asking, a clock is started at noon, okay, by 10 minutes past 5, okay? So এটা clock asile noonot start hoise by 10 minutes past 5, অৰ্থাৎ হি 5 নহয় 5:10 ত আছে হি 5:10 ত গৈ হি ৰৈ আছে. So through how many degrees has the hour hand turned? So এই question to কৰিবলৈ আমি এটা সৰু trick use কৰো. 1 hour hand moves 30 degree in 1 hour, okay? So the hour hand moves 30 degree. এক ঘণ্টাত এই hour hand 30 degree move কৰে, আৰু হেতু গম পালে তোমালোকে বহুত easily এই answer টো উলিয়াব পাৰিবা. So লগতে আমি কওঁ যে 0.5 degree প্ৰতি মিনিটত move কৰে, আৰু যেহেতু ই 5:10 মিনিট হৈ আছে, তো আমি এই যে 30 degree এক ঘণ্টাত move কৰে, যেহেতু ই নুনৰ পৰা move কৰি আগুৱাই গৈছে, so সেইকাৰণে আমি কি কৰিম, এই 30 degree টোক যেহেতু 5:10 হৈছে, 5ৰে into কৰি দিম. So 5 into 30 degree, we will get 150 degree. আৰু 10 minutes যেহেতু 5:10 মিনিটো হৈ আছিল, so 10 মিনিটক আমি এই 0.5 degree into কৰিম. So 10 into 0.5, we have got 5 degree. So we will get the answer 155 degree, because এই 5 degree টোক আমি ইয়াৰ লগত plus কৰি দিম, and then we will get 155. That is the answer. Next question is asking, pointing to Neeraj, a man said, his wife is the only daughter of my wife. So এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ question, এজন ব্যক্তিয়ে কৈ আছে যে his wife. So আমি minusত ৰাখিছো, and এফালে plus দিছো. His wife is the only daughter of my wife. So ইয়াত থাকিব, Okay, so এই মানুহজনে কৈ আছে আৰু কৈছে যে his wife, এই মানুহজনৰ wife is the only daughter of my wife. তেওঁৰ wife এ মাইনাছত আছে, আমি ফিমেল সদায় মাইনাছত লিখো আৰু মেলক সদায় প্লাছত লিখো. So এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ কোৱেশ্চন আমি বহুত সহজে কৰো, যিহেতু মানুহজনে কৈ আছে his wife is the only daughter of my wife, তো এই মানুহজন how the man related to Neeraj. So এই মানুহজন নীৰজৰ লগত কেনেকে related হৈ আছে? So he will be the father-in-law. So the answer is father-in-law here. So তোমালোকে simply গম পালা, যিহেতু কৈছে his wife is the only daughter of my wife. তেওঁৰ পত্নী মোৰ পত্নীৰ একমাত্ৰ জীয়ৰী. So how the man is related to Neeraj? Simply father-in-law. Next question is asking, according to the National Education Policy NEP 2020, which of the following strongly advocates regarding language education? So NEP 2020 মতে language education ok loi kuntu montobyo tolor bhitorot correct hoy? Monolingual instruction, no. Ami hodai negative option bur atorao. Monolingual ketiao nasile. Okay, compulsory Sanskrit education in all secondary levels. Compulsory Sanskrit education in all secondary level is not a correct answer. Promotion of multilingualism and mother tongue based learning. Very good. It is the correct answer. Next, elimination of foreign language. No. Okay, so the correct answer is promoting multilingualism and mother tongue based learning. So various language promote কৰা গৈছিলে and mother tongue মাতৃভাষাৰ ওপৰতো যাতে primary learning খিনি হয় হেখিনিৰ ওপৰত গুৰুত্ব দিয়া গৈছিল. So it is very basic. মই ভাবো তোমালোকে বহুত সহজে অপচনটো বিচাৰি পাইছা. Next question is asking, according to Rashtriya Madhyamik Shiksha Abhiyan RMSA, a secondary school should be available within a reasonable walking distance of. So RMSA er mote secondary school ekhon kiman distance hot thakibo lage? So that is 5 kilometer. Okay, so secondary school er kotha koi ase 5 kilometer. Jodi higher secondary school er kotha kole hoy tetia hole kintu a region to within 7 to 10 kilometers hoi gol hoy. Next question is asking, which of the following represents the key components specified under the objectives of universalization of elementary education UEE? Okay, so tolor gote component gitar bhitorot UEE er prime component kuntu hoy? So that is universal access, enrollment, retention and achievement. Orthat UEE universalization of elementary education e ki bisare je schoolot student or শিশু সকলৰ access থাকক, universally access হওক, enrollment বাঢ়ক, retention and achievement এই সমূহ থাকক. Next question is asking, so question to ami pura koi napalu, hebabe ami short ke likhi thoisu. Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan SSA was submerged into which integrated centrally sponsored scheme? So তোমালোকে গম পোৱা Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan পিছলৈ কিহৰ আন্ডাৰলৈ গুচি গৈছিল? That is Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan. Again SSA কব পাৰি, but Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan SSA was submerged or merged হৈ গৈছিলে কাৰ লগত? Samagra Shiksha Abhiyanor লগত. So it was another easy question আৰু আমি আমাৰ নিজৰ সেশনত এই গোটেই বস্তুখিনি বহুত ভালকে ডিসকাস কৰিছিলো. Now English section to ahile. Okay, so English or ami khub kom question palu. First is asking the meaning of the idiom leaps and bounds, that is rapidly. Jodi he question to same ahise examot because it's a memory based one. Next question is asking, choose the synonym of pensive. So pensive or homarthok ba synonym bisaribo dise, and that is thoughtful. Thoughtful hoise pensive or homarthok hobdo. Next question is asking, choose the synonym of vigilant. Vigilant hobdotur homarthok hobdo hoise watchful. Watchful is the synonym of vigilant. Okay, next question, choose the synonym of reverie. Reverie hobdotur homarthok hobdo hoise dream. So I'm not sure about these options. A option gita asil ne nai, but jodi he ta dream option asile tetia hole definitely this is the correct answer. Next question, what is the meaning of the idiom a white elephant? So white elephant ki hoy? White elephant enekwa dhornor bostu bujabole ব্যবহাৰ কৰা হয় যে বস্তুটো আছে কিন্তু বস্তুটো বহুত pricey, costly আৰু তোমাৰ কোনো কামৰো নহয়, তুমি তাক এৰিও দিব নোৱাৰা, লগতে ৰাখিব লগা হৈছে. So white elephant idiom টোৱে বুজায় a costly possession that is difficult to maintain and little use, অৰ্থাৎ তাৰ ইউজ বহুত কম কিন্তু খুব কষ্টলি আৰু ডিফিকাল্ট টু মেইনটেইন। অলসো হোৱাইট এলিফেণ্ট এনেকুৱা এটা ইডিয়ম হি বুজাই যে তোমাৰ ওচৰত এনেকুৱা এটা বস্তু আছে যিটো বহুত দামী আৰু তাৰ বৰ এটা ইউজো নাই, তোমাৰ কামতো নাহে কিন্তু তুমি তাক পেলাইও দিব নোৱাৰা, এৰিও দিব নোৱাৰা, লগতে ৰাখিব লগা হৈছে, something like that. So what is the meaning of the idiom red letter day? So red letter day mean কৰে a memorable day marked by joy and special significance. So basically red letter day means the memorable one. Okay, যিটো দিন তুমি মনত ৰাখিব খোজা। I have not seen him since we এইখিনিতে ডেছ আছিলে স্কুল, চ' ইয়াত লিভ বা লেফ্ট কিবা এটা হ'ব, অৰ মেবি ইয়াতো ডেছ থাকিব পাৰে, কুৱেশ্যনটো যিহেতু মেমৰি বেছ হয়, চ' আমি সেইটো মেনশ্যন কৰি দুইটা অপশ্যন ইয়াত দি দিছোঁ। চ' আই হেভ নট চিন হিম চিন্স উই লেফ্ট স্কুল, অ'কে, চ' আমি স্কুল এৰাৰ পৰা তাক দেখা পোৱা নাই। চ' দিছ ইজ অলছ' কাৰেক্ট এণ্ড দিছ ইজ অলছ' কাৰেক্ট, নট লিভ, ইট ইজ লেফ্ট, অ'কে, চ' মেনশ্যন কৰি দিয়া গৈছে। নেক্সট কুৱেশ্যন আছিল দ্য ট্ৰেইন হেড লেফ্ট ৱেন উই ডেছ দ্য ষ্টেচন, চ' উই ৰিচ। So the train had left when we reached the station. Okay, yet mention kori dia goise. Next question is asking, and this is the last question of our session. What is the noun form of the verb contaminate? So tomalke gompo eta passage ahisile aru passage or pora I guess 4 to 5 questions asile. That passage to basically environment ro kotha asile, contamination ro kotha asil, aru last question to asile je contaminate শব্দটোৰ noun form to তোমালোকক সুধিছিল। So contaminator noun form to হৈছে contamination. Contamination বা contaminate basically বুজাইছিল যে তোমাৰ ধৰি লোৱা ক'ৰবাত পানী আছে, তাত বিষাক্ত পদাৰ্থ আহি সংমিশ্ৰণ হৈ গ'ল বা মিহলি হৈ গ'ল, so that is called contamination. So noun form is contamination and that's why this is the correct answer. Okay, so ইমানখিনি আছিলে আমাৰ সেশনত। আমি 50টা memory based question discuss কৰিলো from your yesterday's GU B.Ed set 2026 examination, আৰু যদিহে তোমালোকৰ ওচৰত maths related বা reasoning related আৰু questions থাকে তোমালোকে আমালে পঠাব পাৰিবা। So আজি সেশনটো ইমানতে end হৈছে, and আমি সোনকালে আৰু এটা সেশন লৈ আহিম যিটো সেশনত probable questions থাকিব তোমালোকৰ বড়োলেণ্ড ইউনিভাৰ্চিটিৰ এন্ট্ৰেন্স এক্সাম আৰু ভট্টদেৱ ইউনিভাৰ্চিটিৰ B.Ed Entrance Examৰ বাবে। Okay, so ভট্টদেৱ আৰু বড়োলেণ্ড ইউনিভাৰ্চিটিৰ B.Ed Entrance Examৰ probable questionsৰ ওপৰত আমি যিটো সেশন কৰিবলৈ গৈ আছো, মই ভাবো তোমালোক সকলো সেই সেশনটো থাকিবা, মই ভাবো তোমালোকৰ বাবে সেই সেশনটো এটা খুবেই জৰুৰী সেশন হ'ব। So thank you everyone for joining in this session and we are going to meet in the next one. Thank you.